The last topic of this unit is time zones. Okay, time zones also actually when you use this, suppose you want to know you are in Muscat and your friend or your relative is in London. So we want to make a call. So we want to know the appropriate time to call. Is it night or a day? We don't know. So if we know the time zones and if we know how to calculate the time, we can just see what time is there in London or UK now. What's the time in some other place? Okay, that is why we want to know about the time zones. That is how we can calculate the time differences. And always when we say about, see, this is different places are given here, and when you read the timings, you can see different colors. Okay, and different places are also mentioned here. See, look here. Suppose China. So if you want to say about this China, see, it is given in yellow color, is it? So just put a scale here and you just come down. China, what's the timing? This full is China, is it? So we know yellow. Where is yellow? Here you can see yellow. Different places you can see like that. Suppose see New York. What is here? This blue color. So come down. You can see this one blue color. So all the places you can just see this colors and you can just look, or you just put a scale and just come down. Then you can see the full place is colored in same color. Okay, you can just do like that. So see, all times are measured from Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT. What do you mean by Greenwich Mean Time? That is a standard to measure the timing. And where is Greenwich? It is in London. Okay, it is in UK. So with respect to this Greenwich, that is London timing, Greenwich is in London. So with respect to this, the timing of that place, we are considering the time of all other place. So it is considered as 0. Okay, see Greenwich, you can see Greenwich there in your book. See, London is here. So come down. So London, see, it is given as 0. So how we will read the timing is, towards right of this 0, towards right of GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time, it is positive. Okay, and towards left it is negative. Okay, positive means what? This time is ahead. Suppose I am saying in Greenwich, suppose I am saying these two means what? Which place is there? Maybe Angola. Okay, suppose if saying about Angola, then what we can say, from Greenwich time plus 1 means, if this is here it is 11 o'clock means here it will be 11 plus 1, 12 o'clock. 1 hour ahead. So what about some other place which comes here? Okay, if suppose we are saying about Greenland in red color, so not red actually. Yeah, so you just put a scale and you can see almost here it is coming, is it? So it is how much? It is -3 means what? From here 3 hours back, that is behind. So suppose here it is 12 means here what will be the time? 12 minus 3. What is 12 minus 3? 11, 10, 9, is it? So this will be 9 o'clock. Is it clear? 9, 10, 11, 12. So if here it comes, it will be ahead. That means plus we will do, and if it comes here, it will be behind. Okay, that is. So just we can see few examples. Look here. Suppose what is, we can see this map, Eastern Australia. Just have a look. Where is Eastern Australia? See, this is Eastern Australia. So what's the time in green color? It is plus 10. What do you mean by plus 10? Plus 10 means 10 hours ahead Greenwich Mean Time. Is it? From here it is plus 10 means 10 hours ahead. So always keep in mind, this is the standard timing. Plus 3 means 3 hours ahead. Minus 6 means 6 hours behind. Okay, now we can just go and do the exercise. The practice sums from this chapter. Okay, just have a look. So the exercise, let's practice in the next page. What's the practice questions? Write down how many hours ahead. Ahead means plus, okay, or behind, negative. GMT, the following places are. Okay, the first question is Angola. So let us have a look for that. So what we should do? Just go back, check your this map. Then we know this is the standard mean time with respect to London. So Angola, where is Angola? See here. Okay, this one is Angola. So what is Angola? See this one. So plus 1. What do you mean by plus 1? Plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 hour ahead, is it? Plus 1 is always 1 hour ahead. So what is the question? We know it is 1 hour ahead. So what is our question? So Angola +1. So 1 hour ahead. Okay. Then Chile. All the questions same way. You can just have a look into the this map and then you can do. Where is Chile? Yeah, here. So see, this is Chile. So we are just coming down, which is this place. This one, the dot is here. Okay. So just put a scale and you can just go back and check the answer. So what's the timing for Chile? So you do one thing here actually. You cannot trace it with color. Why? Because it is given here, but the dot is given here. So you just put a scale and just come down and you can see how much is that. It is -5. Okay, that means what? It is 5 hours behind. Okay, so here I have made a mistake. I had put -4. It is not -4, it is -5. Okay, so you can just, wherever is the dot, from there you just put a scale down and see what timing is given. So coming to Japan, let's just have that more. We can just have a look there for Japan. Look here, where is Japan? Where is Japan? Yeah, here is Japan. Okay, so use a scale from here and just come down and where it comes. I think it is +9, is it? So you can exactly check with your ruler how much it is coming. Yeah, it is +9. Means what? +9 means 9 hours ahead, is it? Plus means it is ahead, minus means it is behind. So you do for Egypt and Thailand and you correct for Chile also. It is not -4. Chile is -5. Anyway, behind only, but it is -5. Okay. So coming to question number 2, next question. The next question is question number 2. When it is 9 a.m. in New York, what time is it in the following places? The first one we are going to find for Saudi Arabia. 9 a.m. in New York. Okay, again you take your map. New York, where is New York? Yeah, here. See, suppose it is 9 a.m. in New York. Okay, so here. Okay, we want to find for Saudi Arabia. Where is Saudi Arabia? Can you see? I didn't find. Okay, here it is Saudi Arabia. Okay, so here it is Saudi Arabia. So New York is here. So you put a scale from there and find where it is. So from here 1, so towards right, is it? So it will be ahead anyway. So 1, 2, 9. It is 9. So how many? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it? 9 hours ahead. So 9 hours or 8 hours, just have a look once more. So New York it is. So see, this one is not clear. You always open your textbook and then you do. Okay, so New York is this, is it? -5. And Saudi Arabia, which time it is showing? This one, is it? It is +3, is it? Saudi Arabia is here. You put a scale from here and see, it is +3. So -5 and +3. So we need to find the difference. Anyway, towards right, it is ahead. So just have a look. Where is it? So it is -4, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it? So 8 hours ahead. It is not 9 hours. It is 8 hours. So what's the time in New York? The time in New York is given as 9. So what is 9 plus 8? What is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is 17. So either you can write it as 17 or you can write 17 means AM or PM. 17 is PM. How much? It is 5 PM. Is it? So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 PM. So either you can write it as 5 PM or you can write it as 17. Both are correct. Then coming to London. That also we can do. Rest you can do it as homework. So coming to London. So you always check the map. Okay, in the book it may not be clear, but in your in the screen it is not clear, but in your book you can see that clearly. So London and New York. Let us have a look there. London and New York. New York is -5. Is it? The timing for New York is at -5 and London is the Greenwich Mean Time. It is 0. So what's the difference? It is 5. Is it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hours ahead. So what is 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5 will be, so when New York it is 9 AM, in London what is the timing? It is that is 9 plus 5, that is 14. 14 means it is 2 p.m. Is it? So you do for Bangkok, New Zealand, all the things. Just have a look for Alaska. Okay, we can just check for the timing in Alaska. Again, you go back. Where is Alaska? Alaska is here. Is it this blue one? This one is Alaska. So what is the timing in Alaska? Timing in Alaska. Alaska, just have a look. It is negative 10. Okay. And New York, it is negative 5. So how many hours difference? So it is ahead or behind? So it is on the left side. So it is behind. Is it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours behind. When it is 9 a.m. at New York, 5 hours behind. So what is the timing? 9 minus 5 you do. What is 9 minus 5? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So what's the timing? 8 a.m. Is it? Because both the time it is a.m. only. It is 9 a.m. minus 5 a.m. 5 hours. It is 4 o'clock, or we can say 4 a.m. If you are writing in 24-hour clock, we will write 0400. If you are writing in 4 a.m., you can either write 4.00 a.m. or even 4 a.m. Okay, is it clear for you? So other questions, you just do it as homework. So which all pages I gave you as homework today? So the homework for the topics which we have covered today is student book page 211, 213 and 219. Okay, and we know this which one is 211. It was for which one? Timetables. Okay, 213 for calendar and 219 for time zones. So just go to the explanation, and in the textbook also you examine that properly and then you just do. Majority we have already explained, only few questions left there. That also you do, and please send me the answers. Okay, so thank you so much. So in the next video we will be starting about the last topic, that is area and perimeter. That is also important. This one you already studied in the last class. The next chapter is more important than this. Okay, and here also the initial part was important. That timing 24 hours and 12 hours, it is very important. Okay, so thank you so much everyone.